Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to talk about the easiest way how you can install Fiverr on your desktop. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. So there are two ways how you can download and install Fiverr on your desktop or your PC. The first way is to open any type of browser and go to fiverr.com. After you go to fiverr.com, log into your account and you will see this type of interface. You can see the app available option over here. Just go ahead and click on it and click on install. As soon as you click install, you can now see that this Fiverr seller dashboard has been installed. Now you can allow this app to pin to taskbar, pin to start, create a desktop shortcut, and auto start on device login. So after you do this, click on allow and there you go. You can see that Fiverr has been added to your app menu. So if you go ahead and search for Fiverr, it will be available. If you want to uninstall it, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and click on uninstall. If you want to use another way, you can just go ahead and open Fiverr on your desktop app or else on your browser, and then you can create a shortcut for it. So in order for you to create a shortcut, you can just go ahead and click on the three dots and go to more tools. After you go to more tools, you can see save page as or create shortcut. So you can see this option over here. You can click on this and you can save the page and you can open it anytime. So guys, these were the two ways how you can download and install Fiverr on your PC. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.